Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we are going to talk about the snackbar messages in the Android. Now I know the word snackbar makes us think of some food, but here in Android, a snackbar is not a food. It's a small message box that appears at the bottom of the screen to give information to the user. It looks similar to a toast message, but it is a little bit different. Let's see how. A toast message shows up the message, stays for a short time, and then disappears on its own. The user cannot close a toast manually. But with the snackbar message, it shows up at the bottom of the device screen. It can stay for a short time, a long time, or even indefinitely. Most importantly, it has a close button so the user can dismiss it whenever they want. That is the main difference between a toast and a snack bar. So let me show you what a snack bar looks like. When I click on the snack bar button, so normally what will happen is a snack bar message appears at the bottom of the screen and you can show the message whatever the message you want. So you can put text anything you want. So let's quickly create a snack bar message step by step. So in the design view, let's go to the design view and here this is our button, right? I will try to change the button for this one, show text, show toast message. So this one is the toast message which we have seen. Okay, now let me drag another button. Okay, I will move little bit topper and this one also I will keep it here, and this one also I will change it to show snack bar message. Okay, so this is the thing, and I will try to make it center horizontally. Okay, center horizontally I have made it, and now I will try to make this one as like this, and here I will show button underscore show underscore snack bar. Okay, so this is the ID which I want to try to keep it. That's it. So now let's move on to the main activity file, and this is our main activity file, and here in this main activity file what I want to do it is, so here I want to get the late init where show snack bar button of type button. Okay, and here I can write a message. I can write the ID no show snack bar button is equal to find view by ID of r dot id dot button like this. Now here I can add a message show snack bar button dot set on click listener. So in this one I want to show the message. So snack bar needs to know which layout to attach to itself, so it gives you a constraint. So let's try to give the constraint layout an ID. So this is our constraint layout, and here I want to give the my layout. So it needs to know the layout, which layout it needs to show it. So here I can get the layout late init var my layout of type constraint layout. Okay, and here you can get, so here you need to attach it. So my layout is equal to find view by id of r dot id dot my layout. That's it. Now here I want to show the snack bar message snack bar dot make. You will have a message make, and here we need to add first one is the view, there is nothing but my layout, and the next one is the message. So here you can add this is the snack bar message. Okay, and the last one is the time, so how much time you want to show it. So here you can use snack bar dot, so here you will be able to see length underscore indefinite. So until and unless you close the button, you close the close button, then only the snack bar closes. So now here we need to add the set action, so that action will be close. And here if you want to add the, if you want to execute something when the user clicks on the close button, so here you can add view dot, sorry, so here you can add on click listener, sorry, so it will be something like on click on listener, something it will be there. For the view it will be So let me check it out. This one, what it will happen. You can add here on click listener. Okay, on click listen. So we should have this one actually. So what will happen is set action, like this only it will be there. Set action text close, and it will be something like, let's try to move it down this one. Okay, so here it is a close button. Okay, let's try to check it again. Set action. Okay, set action, sorry, this one. Set action of close, and here I need to add on click. Here I can use view dot on click listener. So this is the message which I want to use it. So here whatever the action you want to do it, you can use it, and just you can add the close here. That's it. Sorry, show here. That's it, finish. So now let me try to check the output for this one. So how it will look like. So let me check the output. So let me check the output for this one. So I am clicking on this play button. So let it start the device. So here let me check the output for this one. Okay, here it is trying to open the app. So here if I try to click on this one, toast message is appearing. If I click on this show snack bar, so here you will be able to see this is the snack bar message. I can click on the close button. So until and unless if I don't click on the close button, so the toast message will show like that only. So here it is showing like this only. I click on the close button, automatically it will be closing. So this is how we will be showing the snack bar message in the Android. So what we have learned in this video, so just now you are able to create, how to create a snack bar message in the Android Studio using Kotlin. So you need to remember one thing: toast means temporary, no user control, whereas this snack bar means bottom of the screen you will be having, and user can close it if you want, and automatically it can close it. That's all for this video. So what we have did it, so we have added the simple toast button and also a snack bar button. We have seen how the toast button will behave, and also how the snack bar button will behave. So that's it guys about this one. So hope you understood about this concept about the snack bar and toast bar. So and also the difference between those two. So that is most important which you need to know. So why? Because toast bar is a simple information message, and snack bar means if you want a user action also, you can, that depends on this one, you can show the user action. That is all depends on you, how you try to show it. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.